Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Bullyno, smiling critter from Poppy Playtime. So first let's get started with the ring in the center. So we're going to start by drawing a curved line that arches around and then up. On either side of this we're going to curve a small line that curves out. And then we're going to connect this together with an arch line, bringing this all the way around and then back up. For the nostrils, we're going to arch this line around and then in on either side. Let's connect this together on the bottom with a curved line. We'll continue to bring this around, down, and then in. And then do the same thing over on the left. Let's draw in the mouth now. So to the right of this, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then we'll flip over to the left and replicate that. On the top, we're going to curve this line around and then in to close off the top of the mouth. And then moving underneath, we're going to arch this line all the way around and then up on the right. In the center, let's curve this line over. We'll do the same thing on the bottom. Now let's draw in the eyes. So above this on the right, we're going to draw in a small oval in the center. And then we'll do the same over on the left. Underneath this, we're going to curve this line out. And now let's connect this together with a curved line, arching this all the way up and then down. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. For the eyebrows, we're going to curve this line down and then across. And then we'll do the same thing on the left. Let's frame in the cheeks now. So we're going to curve this line around and then in. Let's move underneath, curving this line down and then up. Underneath, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then in towards the middle. And then we'll flip over to the left-hand side and we'll replicate that. Let's close off the top of the head now. So moving over towards the left, we're going to curve this line around and then down. In the middle, we're going to curve that out and then in. And then one more time, let's curve this line out and then back in. On either side, we're going to curve this line out. For the horn now, we're going to curve this line around and then out. On the top, let's curve this line around and then up. And then starting at the point, let's curve this line around and then back in. Let's close off the side of the head with a small diagonal line coming down on either side. Now let's draw on the bell underneath. So we're going to draw in a small circle in the center. To the left of this, let's curve this line out, in, and then back out. We'll do the same thing on the right, ending that at the same height. And now let's close this off with a curved line from left to right. And then moving up again, we'll replicate that. Let's move underneath and draw in a small half circle. For the torso on either side, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then moving further out, we're going to curve that out and then back in. In the middle, let's draw in a small curved line. Now let's draw in the legs. So on the inside, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And we'll do the same thing over on the right. Let's move out now. We're going to curve this line down, out, and then back down, ending that at the same height. And then we'll replicate this as we move over on the left. So we're going to bring this line down, out, and then back down. And then we're going to close this off with a curved line on the bottom. Let's move up, drawing in another curved line from left to right. Let's draw on the arms now. So on either side, we're going to curve this line down. Moving out for the elbow, we're going to curve this line around and then in. On the inside, we're going to draw 2 curved lines as we come down. And now underneath this, we're going to arch this line around and then in for the hand. Let's move up like we did on the ankles, and we're going to curve this line across. And now finally, let's draw on the tail. So we're going to draw 2 curved lines that arch in towards our right leg. For the hair at the end, we're going to curve this line down and then in. And then we'll continue to extend this out and then back around and in. And that is it. That's how you draw Bullyno, a fan-made smiling critter from Poppy Playtime. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.